We will cook French fries. 4 edition French fries. Okay, we will cook French fries 4 edition. With my cooking oil, my frying pan, very ugly. Okay, French fries 4 edition. Oh, look at the view on my window. Oh, very nice. People lives in the city only can see this on their smart TV. Okay, even if my food is French fries 4 edition, I have this view. And my roof is also deteriorated, very poor. But I have this very luxurious view. Okay, natural view. And many people pay just to have this view. And let's continue cooking our French fries 4 edition. Okay, bye bye.